What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another video. I am in my garage right now. Hope all of you are having a phenomenal weekend or had a phenomenal weekend. I guess it depends on when you're watching this video. But today is Sunday. It's Easter Sunday. And, I went to church this morning, had a phenomenal time. And I drove the car quite a bit, In fact, it got washed at the dealer because it got serviced. I have an oil change package and they did it. And they washed it for me, which was great. But, I've been dabbling with some products from chemical guys, and I'm getting really picky about how my car looks, how I maintain it, at least, on the exterior side, and the interior side also. So I've been dabbling with a lot of products, and I want to show you guys what I'm learning and stuff. So I'm tripping all over my junk and all that stuff. If that came out wrong, either way. You know what? Let's just cut to the intro reel because I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. But I want to show you guys my favorite products on what I use to maintain the cosmetic and aesthetics of my B58. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so we're back here, and I'm going to show you just some of these products that I've been using to maintain the B58. I don't really put the car through a wash that often. I mean, I have the foam cannon and a power washer, but I don't do it that often. I only do it when it gets really, really grimy. If it rains and there's a lot of watermarks, then I go through that whole process of power washing it, but I don't that often. I do a lot of in-between cleanups, and that's how I'm able to maintain the overall aesthetics of a clean car. So I'm going to show you just what I'm using right here. This is not at all a sponsored video by chemical guys. I just been doing a lot of research, and their products have really just stood out to me. And again, I've been doing a lot of testing of their products on my car, so it's just been phenomenal. And obviously, chemical guys has been around for so long. Yeah, let's get to it. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. Joining me right here is the pup. What's up, man? What's up? So since my car just came out of the dealership, they do a complimentary car wash for me, and it's up to dealership standards, whatever the heck that means. I'm praying it's not the rollers and it's like a water based type of power wash where it doesn't touch my car, right? Touch safe, if you will. But it's been a couple of days and there's some light dust on my car. You obviously can't see it, but there is some debris on the actual car, and I don't want to put it through the wash. I don't want to go power washing it. It doesn't need it because there's not some grime. It's not like it rained and dust settled on it and now it's just really dirty and gnarly. No. So what I want to do is I'm going to use a waterless base wash right here, and it works out really well. So this thing right here, partnered up with a micro fiber towel, a pretty good one. I'm going to show you guys just how I clean the car. There's ways of doing it. I learned from chemical guys, but this right here is a game changer. It saves water, it saves time, and also it's a perfect in-between car wash cleaner that won't scratch up your car. So let's get to it. All right, so what I like to do is just first spray it on, where I get a good layer all over it. Right, and you want to let it just sit there for maybe a couple of seconds. Let the let the shampoo do its work and lift up all the residue that's in there. Right. What you want to do is just do even streaks all the way down. You don't want to do back and forth on the first pass because you will scratch up the car that way. So I can already see the microfiber towel just picking up all that dirt and grime. Yeah, you see that? It's already doing its thing. So I'm gonna keep doing this. Dang, there's a lot. So yeah, the shampoo is doing its stuff. Yep, and then once you do that, you can go ahead and just buff the rest out. Waterless wash and wax spray by Chemical Guys that I use. Again, I did not want to run a whole power wash system. I just wanted to just take out the heavier dust particles, and this did just the job. And then in between, you know, as I'm going to work and back, and if I see some dust particles there, or if I wanted to keep that shine going, I will do the same thing, but with this right here. And this is, all right guys, so sorry my video got cut off for some weird reason, but what I want to talk about is this synthetic quick detailer by Chemical Guys. It's a phenomenal spray, and I gotta tell you, after 2 or 3 days of washing your car, there's gonna be some light dust on your car. So this thing right here keeps my car clean all the week through until I may have to wash it on the weekend, or just do that wax and detail spray that I used earlier to wash my car, basically through a spray, the Waterless spray wash, right? So guys, I hope this brought you value. I'm gonna do more videos like this that shares practical things and how I maintain my car. Also more install videos coming soon. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification, because I upload videos at least twice a month, and I'm here to give you guys just nothing but value. So thank you so much guys, and I'll catch you soon.